Hi, this is Derek Tangren with the Adobe Analytics product team. I'd like to talk to you about a derived field function in Customer Journey Analytics called Typecast. This function can be beneficial if you have any fields in your data schema that were configured as the wrong kind of data type for the type of reporting you might need. Let's look at a couple of examples to see how this works. In this example, I have a dimension that represents the number of search results. However, note that the schema data type is a string. While I can still get some reporting, given CJA's flexibility, to utilize it accurately in some visualizations, such as the histogram visualization, I need a way to change it to a number instead of a string. As I go into derived fields, I'll bring in my typecast function, and from there, I will select my number of search results field. I'm then presented with what I would like to cast it to, in this case, a numeric. I can then select the format that I'd like it to be in, as well as if I need to present decimal places. In this case, I don't. I can check my final output in the preview and give it the name of number search results. We'll add it as a metric and a dimension, and then go see how it looks in Workspace. This next example will look at taking a numeric value, the number of orders, and combining that with our customer segment. Here in Derived Fields, I've built out a customer segment field based on the number of purchases a person has made. I'd like to add into this value the number of purchases. The challenge is the Derived Fields concatenate function only supports string values. I will take the value coming out of my number of purchases rule, and I will typecast that to be a string. Next, I will use the concatenate function to combine the values I have for my customer segment with the value with the number of purchases made. I can see the combined value of what that looks like in my preview. I can then save this as a new derived field called Customer Segment plus Purchases. Add it to my data view, and then head out to my Workspace project to check it out. These are just a couple of examples of what you can do with the typecast function. We're excited to see how you're able to use it to answer new questions and gain new insights with your data. Thanks for watching.